Are you tired of slow mobile internet speeds? Do you struggle with loading websites and streaming videos? Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my mobile internet speed using some crazy tricks and hacks. Did you know that you can dramatically increase your mobile internet speeds with just a few simple tweaks? Let's find out how. In this video, you will learn effective strategies to speed up your mobile internet connection, ensuring a smoother browsing experience. Many users experience slow mobile internet, causing frustration especially when streaming, gaming, or browsing on the go. Explore methods such as optimizing settings, clearing cache, and switching networks to enhance your mobile internet speed. Reveal the most impactful tip that can lead to immediate improvements, such as changing your DNS settings or utilizing a VPN. Recap the main strategies discussed and how they can collectively boost your mobile internet performance. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your own tips in the comments below.